big win last week against Sporting KC. The question is, Mo, how do they build on it here tonight at home?
They built on it by putting out a similar performance in terms of the way they went for the response, the show of character after losing to Monterrey to now have to rebound. I think that was one of the biggest things that you take away from that performance. You got the response that you need as a club. Now it's how do you continue that form here in a home game against a side that has shown they can be competitive in these kind of matches.
Ismail Elfath blows the whistle. We are on the way. It is the Herald on the defender. He's inside the penalty area. The challenge comes from the side, and it's out of play for the corner kick, but really good early on there from Hany Mukhtar.
It's a really good press initially by Nashville to win the ball back in possession. But this man here, Hany Mukhtar, he's going to be such a pivotal.
Pull in behind here for Messi again. Good challenge coming across from Lovitz. In the battle with McNaughton, heads it back. Messi on his left foot, one volley. Panico with a good save.
Oh,
well, that's all about the power of Suarez to open things up for Messi in behind.
This is incredible strength, composure, and then intelligence from Suarez. We talk so much about the relationship that Busquets and Messi have. Suarez.
Super one-handed spot. Messi rebounds it. It's been all Nashville so far, and the first break and the first moment of weakness for Nashville at the back is exploited by that man once again. Lionel Messi, 1-1.
Gary Smith warned us in midweek. Lionel Messi can change the game in a blink of an eye. Things aren't going well for them in Miami the first spell of this game, but all it takes is one moment of magic. I love the creativity. I love the movement off the ball, but the confidence that Messi has when he's in 1v1 situations, but just watch how he stays alive at the top of your screen. The ball finds its way back to him by fortune, but the combination play between himself and Suarez.
Pulls it back, and that was cleared. With his feet, and the ball's made across. Suarez off the line. Panico saved by McNaughton, but that's all about the goalkeeper's mistake.
Yeah, and Panico better go.
Gomez trying to get that cross in. Lovitz with that delivery, and they have nil. Super delivery from Lovitz, and it's redirected home. Talk about a perfect start for Gary Smith's men. They lead early on here at Chase Stadium.
Talk about Miami are going to give you chances. This time it comes off of a set piece. You just mentioned that Nashville had not scored a set piece so far this season, but somehow
on his right foot, oh, it's off the post. A slice of luck for Nashville. Nonchalant finish from Messi. He thought it was in, and Nashville survived for now. Really good run forward from Negri. He's got two runners inside the area, and that one blocked. Hany Mukhtar, he tries to square it, and it's somehow headed back across. Alfonso gets back. He's on the score sheet, but the flag has denied him. What a team move that was from Inter Miami, though.
I mean, this play starts from way deeper, but the running
settling for a touch. Well, why not that one? We'll be worried about that one. Panico's beat at the near post. It's it. Messi's delivery was world class. And just the slightest of touches takes it home. But it all stems from the earlier mistake from the goalkeeper to give away the set piece. And boy, Nashville SC punished.
Well, it's your number 6, your defensive midfielder, Sergio Busquets, getting his first goal of the season. But this is just about, if you give a team a gift,
Prediksi Vancouver versus Inter Miami, Messi cetak gol lagi. Prediksi Vancouver versus Inter Miami dalam laga CONCACAF Champions. Jadwal Vancouver versus Inter Miami leg pertama semifinal. CONCACAF Champions Cup 2025 berlangsung pada Jumat, 25 April 2025 jam setengah 10. Jalannya laga di BC Place Stadium, Vancouver, Kanada. dapat diikuti melalui live score di laman Flash Score. Tim tuan rumah Vancouver Whitecaps dalam misi melanjutkan tren positif 6 pertandingan belum pernah kalah. Vancouver berhasil membubuhkan 2 kemenangan dan 4 laga imbang. Kini Vancouver Whitecaps sedang menduduki peringkat 1 klasemen MLS 2025 zona barat dengan raihan 20 poin. Vancouver baru mengalami 2 kekalahan di semua kompetisi resmi. Di kubu tim tamu, Inter Miami juga memiliki rekor yang bagus. Tim besutan Javier Mascherano belum terkalahkan dalam 4 laga terakhir. Akhir pekan lalu, Inter Miami berhasil menang tipis 0-1 di markas Columbus Crew. Inter Miami berhasil menyingkirkan Los Angeles FC di babak perempat final CONCACAF Champions Cup 2025. The Herons sempat kalah 1-0 di markas LAFC pada leg pertama, kemudian menang 3-1 di leg kedua. Lionel Messi mampu membukukan 2 gol di pertandingan leg kedua. Lionel Messi juga siap tampil di laga kontra Vancouver pekan ini. Inter Miami pernah meraih kemenangan di markas Vancouver Whitecaps dengan skor 1-2 pada pertandingan MLS 2024. Vancouver mencapai semifinal dengan gaya khas CONCACAF, mendapatkan gol penyeimbang dari Tristan Blackmon untuk melaju melalui penentu gol tandang atas Pumas di Mexico City. Mereka adalah lawan Liga MX kedua berturut-turut yang disingkirkan Vancouver setelah kejadian serupa di Monterrey. Inter Miami menyalurkan drama di perempat final dengan Lionel Messi mencetak 2 gol dan 1 assist untuk mengatasi defisit 2-0 pada leg kedua melawan LAFC. The Herons melaju relatif mulus di 2 putaran awal sesi, tetapi harus rela menyerah saat menghadapi tim kuat MLS lainnya. Semuanya membuat Inter Miami tinggal 3 pertandingan lagi untuk berpotensi mengklaim hadiah terbesar di benua itu. Mereka juga akan berkompetisi di Piala Dunia antar klub musim panas ini dan berharap untuk kembali meraih gelar Piala Liga sebelum tujuan akhir mereka, yaitu memenangkan Piala MLS yang dipersembahkan oleh Audi. Adapun prediksi Mimin Lionel Messi cetak brace dan bawa Inter Miami menang 2-1 vs Vancouver.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
David Beckham beri peringatan keras ke Inter Miami jelang laga Piala Champions. David Beckham telah mengirimkan peringatan keras kepada tim Inter Miami-nya menjelang pertandingan pertama semifinal Piala Champions CONCACAF melawan Vancouver Whitecaps. Tim asuhan Javier Mascherano telah melakukan perjalanan ke Kanada untuk menghadapi tim Whitecaps dengan rekor terbaik di liga.
Thursday as your Vancouver Whitecaps FC host Inter Miami CF in leg 1 of the CONCACAF Champions.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a...
Berharap untuk mengamankan tempat terakhir melawan Tigres UANL atau Cruz Azul dari Liga MX. Pertandingan akan dimulai pada hari Kamis di BC Place sebelum pertandingan kedua di Chase Stadium pada tanggal 30 April. Membahas pertandingan Piala Champions terbesar Miami hingga saat ini di CBS Sports bersama Kate Scott, Thierry Henry, Jamie Carragher, dan Micah Richards. Presiden Miami dan sebagian pemilik Beckham menegaskan kembali betapa sulitnya kompetisi ini, mengutip kebangkitan dramatis mereka di perempat final melawan LAFC.
Pistolero Suarez, Leo Messi, Messi's in it now!
Sementara itu, bintang Miami Lionel Messi telah memberikan wawasan tentang hubungannya dengan Beckham sejak pindah ke MLS. Jelas, kami menghadapi tim yang bagus di LAFC di babak terakhir. Jelas kalah di sana, dan kemudian ini adalah pertandingan yang spektakuler di Miami. Dan jelas bintang-bintang besar muncul, dan kami akhirnya menang. Jadi, menghadapi Vancouver di babak semifinal berikutnya akan menjadi pertandingan yang sulit karena mereka sedang dalam performa yang bagus. Namun, klub manapun ingin memenangkan kompetisi ini karena Anda ingin diakui dalam kompetisi ini. Dan ada beberapa pertandingan yang sulit dan tim yang tangguh. Meski Beckham mengakui timnya senang karena telah mencapai babak semifinal, pekerjaan mereka masih jauh dari selesai, mengingat mereka memiliki tim besar lain yang harus dilawan. Hold on to that. Kami akan melawan tim yang bagus di Vancouver. Namun, semoga saja kami bisa mencapai final. Dan selanjutnya kami harus menang. Mascherano juga telah menggembar-gemborkan pertandingan itu sebagai mungkin salah satu pertandingan paling penting dalam sejarah klub selama konferensi pers baru-baru ini, menurut Record. Mereka lawan yang cukup langsung. Mereka bermain sangat baik di sisi sayap, dan mereka tidak seimbang. Kami akan mencoba menggunakan semua kekuatan mereka sebaik mungkin dan mengendalikan pertandingan. Ancaman utama Miami di depan gawang tentu saja adalah Messi. Pemain Argentina itu adalah pencetak gol terbanyak tim musim ini dengan 8 gol dalam 11 pertandingan di semua kompetisi dan pencetak gol terbanyak kedua di Piala Champions dengan 5 gol dalam 5 pertandingan. Mengenai peran yang akan dimainkan Messi di basic plays, Mascherano tetap malu-malu seperti biasa, hanya berkata, "Saya tidak suka berbicara sebelum pertandingan tentang siapa yang tersedia atau siapa yang tidak. Besok Anda akan lihat."
Told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you